A date that could change your and my life forever. A massive rock weighing over 125,000 kilograms, meaning a massive asteroid, is speeding through space toward our Earth at 30,000 kilometers per hour. If it hits, the resulting blast will be 100,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Within a matter of seconds, entire countries will be wiped off the map completely. But do you know what the biggest twist is? Some scientists claim that we only have a few years left to save ourselves from this catastrophe, a danger that lies hidden deep within space. While we humans down on Earth are busy fighting amongst ourselves, is the year 2038 truly going to be the final year for humanity? On social media nowadays, you will find thousands of videos claiming that NASA is hiding something huge from us. There is a conspiracy theory going around that scientists already know exactly when the Earth will end, but they are keeping the general public in the dark to avoid worldwide panic. People say, why only 2038? First, this destruction was supposed to happen in 2029, then the date changed to 2036, and now it has shifted to 2038. Are these scientists truly making mistakes in their calculations every single time? Or are we narrowly escaping death each time? Some people even go so far as to claim that space agencies have secretly built an underground bunker system exclusively for the rich and powerful. What is the truth? Is this just another piece of fake news from WhatsApp University? Hello friends, welcome to Duera Science. In today's video, we are going to unfold the mind-blowing science and real-world space data. We will talk about that dangerous rock which scientists know as APOPHIS, along with other potentially hazardous asteroids like it. We will understand how this deadly game played out in space actually works. Fact number 1. What exactly is an asteroid tracking system? Fact number 2. Will an asteroid really hit Earth in 2038? Fact number 3. And if that happens, do we have a plan B? Let's understand this step by step in very simple language. This story begins roughly 4.6 billion years ago, when our solar system was forming. When the Sun, Earth, and the rest of the planets were being created, a massive amount of debris was left behind in space. These leftover rocks and stones are what we call asteroids. You can think of them as the leftover cement and bricks of the solar system. One of these very rocks changed the entire face of our Earth 66 million years ago. A 10-kilometer wide asteroid collided with Earth, and the destruction that followed wiped out every trace of the dinosaurs. However, the biggest shock to scientists in modern history came in June 2004. Astronomers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory discovered a new asteroid. It was named APOPHIS, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, death, and destruction. As soon as its orbit was calculated, space scientists all over the world broke into a cold sweat. Initial data showed a very high probability that it would collide with our Earth in the year. Now comes the real science, which is very important to understand. When an asteroid moves through space, scientists use a specific scale to map its trajectory, called the Torino Impact Hazard Scale. APOPHIS was the first asteroid in history to reach level 4 on this scale. Level 4 meant there was greater than a 1% chance of a collision with Earth. You might think 1% is very low, but in the language of space, a 1% chance is a red alert. When scientists did even more accurate calculations, they found out that on April 13, 2029, This asteroid would pass so close to our Earth that it would be closer than our own communication satellites, just 32,000 kilometers away from Earth. This distance is so incredibly small that you will be able to see it with your naked eyes in the sky like a moving star. But then, a new enemy enters the story: the gravitational keyhole. What is a gravitational keyhole? It is a specific small region in space near Earth where, if an asteroid passes through it, Earth's gravity pulls it slightly and bends its orbit. Scientists warned that if APOPHIS passed through this keyhole in 2029, Earth's gravity would alter its orbit in such a way that exactly 7 years later, on April 13th, 2036, it would hit Earth directly. And according to new data, even if 2036 is a miss, dates around the year 2038 emerge for another asteroid being tracked, such as 2023 DW or similar objects. Now imagine what would actually happen if it collides. Let's look at the worst case scenario. APOPHIS is roughly 370 meters wide. If it enters Earth's atmosphere, its speed will be so fast that the friction of the air will turn it into a blazing fireball. Our atmosphere, which acts as a protective shield, will behave like a pressure cooker against such a massive rock. If it falls into the ocean, which has a 70% probability, it will bring about the most terrifying tsunami in history. 300 to 400 foot high walls of water will swallow coastal cities in just a few minutes. And if it hits land, it will release energy equivalent to 1,000 megatons of TNT. So much dust and smoke will rise into the sky from the ground that sunlight won't reach the Earth for months. Scientists call this phenomenon an impact winter. Agriculture will come to a complete halt. Temperatures will drop rapidly, and there will be a global food shortage leading to famine. But wait, what you have heard so far was the scary part. Now comes the best news and the greatest victory of modern science. Is NASA really hiding something from us? The answer is absolutely not. And the good news is that after the latest telescope readings and radar observations, NASA and the ESA have confirmed that APOPHIS will completely miss this keyhole in 2029. This means there is absolutely no danger to Earth from APOPHIS for the next 100 years. The 2038 conspiracy theories are entirely baseless. But friends, this entire story teaches us a massive lesson. As human beings, we fight amongst ourselves every single day over border disputes, political debates, and religious conflicts. We think that our tiny world is everything. But when we look at the grand cosmic scale, we realize how alone and how incredibly fragile we are in this infinite universe. A single small rock coming from space can wipe out our entire civilization in a second. Victory does not lie in how powerful we are compared to one another. Victory lies in whether all of humanity can unite as one to save our tiny blue planet when a real threat arrives. Our true enemy is not among us, but hidden in the dark expanses of space. What do you think, friends? If a real threat like this arrives in the year 2038 or later, will the countries of our world forget their battles and come together? Or will we destroy ourselves fighting each other? Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, then to learn more secrets of space and science, please subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers.